In the ancient city of Varanasi, King Vedaha ruled with wisdom, yet a question troubled his heart. What causes suffering? He sought counsel from Sanaka, his wise court priest, to uncover the truth. The king questioned, "Is suffering fate, or our own doing?" Sanaka replied, "Suffering springs from our misdeeds, like poison swallowed." Vedaha asked for proof. Sanaka proposed a test: observe a blameless man and a wrongdoer. In the same city lived Mitavindaka, a merchant consumed by greed. Mitavindaka owned a magnificent goat, and tasked his son, Pufaya, to graze it carefully. "Let it eat, but not from another's land." Pufaya obeyed, ensuring the goat grazed only on public land. It grew splendidly under his watchful care. On their way home, a toll gate guard stopped them, claiming the goat had grazed on the king's land. Pufaya swore he was careful, but the guard demanded a fine. Without money, he surrendered the goat, terrified. Pufaya returned home, confessing everything. Mitavindaka erupted in rage, berating him for losing the valuable goat. "Get the goat back," Mitavindaka screamed, beating Pufaya mercilessly. Bruised, Pufaya fled, seeking the lost goat. He wandered the streets, weeping, unable to face his father empty-handed. His father's greed had made him a victim. Sanaka, watching from afar, approached the weeping boy. "Why do you cry, young man?" he asked gently. Pufaya recounted his ordeal. Sanaka, showing sympathy, offered to plead his case before the just King Vedaha. At the palace, King Vedaha listened intently. He then summoned the avaricious Mitavindaka. Mitavindaka arrived, masking his fear and greed, bowing low before the king and his son. "What were your instructions to your son?" the king asked, his voice calm but firm. Mitavindaka boldly replied that he told Pufaya to let the goat graze, but not on anyone's property. Sanaka countered, "Is there any land that isn't owned? You set him up to fail from the start." Mitavindaka was silenced, trapped by his own words. King Vedaha declared that Mitavindaka's greed caused the suffering, not fate or circumstance. Mitavindaka stood in disgrace, his deceit exposed, his heart laid bare. The king ordered Mitavindaka punished, but mercifully returned the goat, demanding he change his ways. Mitavindaka, humbled, vowed to treat Pufaya with love and respect, finally seeing his son's worth. And so, the truth was revealed: evil done by oneself crushes the foolish. King Vedaha learned that suffering stems from within, not from external forces. From that day on, Varanasi was ruled with even greater wisdom and compassion.